Here is another little update on the pond. I had not much time to work on the pond because the blueberry season started a few months ago. I had a lot of work on the blueberries, pruning the blueberries and so on. But I managed to spread the sand on the beach area. Here is what it looks like. I put another row of stones here on the stone wall, so the smaller fish will have plenty of space to hide from the big fish who wants to eat them. Here I didn't finish this part because I'm going to make a small waterfall around here. Also, I made 2 docks, one over here and one on the other side, that I'm going to use them like a swimming corridor for swimming. The pond had some algae in it, but nothing disastrous still. There is plenty of baby frogs and other organisms. There is fish. Many kinds of bugs. I don't know what kind of bugs these are. There are frogs. The smaller fish come and hang around this area where the bigger stones are. But I don't see any right now. They come here when it's sunny. Water tightness, everything is okay, excellent. Most of this water is rainwater, but since it was raining yesterday and irrigated my blueberries, I transferred the water pipe in the pond so it can help build some water level. There is just thousands of baby frogs. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with all these baby frogs. Everything is doing great with the pond. Knock on wood. That's it for now. Bye bye.